All right, wanted to give you a little tour of the trailer that I bought for 1,100 bucks. Stripped it down, removed all the wood, and I'm going to be putting this channel right here to run the electrical. I saw that in another trailer company runs that, and I'll actually do one here and one on this side as well to kind of give it some reinforcement, because I cut out the side right here because I'm going to put in ramps. You can see the beginning of it. I got to put the other bar right there, and then I'm going to beef up the tongue with tubing 3x2, no, actually 3x4 tubing, and I'm going to actually go all the way to the axle to bring this over and strengthen that. I cut the old tongue off of here because it was shot, and in doing so saw that this was all cut up here. This is the new tongue. So the new tongue actually is going to fit on top of the new tubing that will be about right here, and I'll cover this area up with a plate and then run along the side of this all the way over there and back, and I'll leave this but utilize it. Now I'm going to, like I said, I'll put a plate over this, and I hope to put the trailer tongue, or the, what do you call it, the jack, back here a little bit so it doesn't hit the tailgate. Then I got that at Harbor Freight. That will fit right here, and inside that I'll enclose, I'm putting a new 7-pin connector inside here. There's terminals to run on the new line that will go back along there. Also, I saw this another person. I'm gonna not use this. I'm gonna actually take these guys and weld them on like that. They'll be welded on, and that way I can unscrew this to change the chain out in the future. Just this is like $4, and I'll just weld it on at a nice strong spot. So this is just temporary that I put here. One thing I'm going to have to figure out is the height of this to be able to use the wheel underneath this tongue. I might have to elevate that part or re-weld that at a different height so I can utilize the wheel. I like having to be able to push it around without having to lift it up. All right, so a couple other things I've done. This is a 16-foot trailer, by the way. I ordered new tires. Those were $60 each on Amazon, so you get two for 120 bucks, and they're 5-on-5. And these axles here, I looked at the tag, and they're $3,500 each, but there's no brakes. However, they have the brake mount right there. So I ordered, and it's in here, new brakes. I also have the breakaway system with the battery that I'll put on there since I'm getting new brakes. So maybe we'll take a look at this. And this is a light for the end of the trailer back there. All right, just getting ready to weld this last elbow on, and then of course the flat part will be welded on later. But this weight is, or pipe wrench, it's basically bringing this side up a little bit so it's flush. And then of course that made that 90 degrees from here over, and get that welded up. Alright, I just finished welding this on. I'm going to put a bar here, a flat bar, and then the gate ramp will go right here. So I'll take it out. I'm also going to weld a bar across here. I had to cut these out because it was right in the way of the ramp distance. Plus, if I'm going to cover the plate right here, this is kind of already in there, so I don't need that as well. But I might reuse this in another place. So this is the second one I've welded on. I'm going to do the other side, and then maybe the side piece of this bar. It's a U channel is what I'm making, so the ramp will go right inside there.